Okay, so thank you for that. And let's talk about the topic. So you have gone
Mm.
through the topic. So can you tell me what is the topic today?
Yeah, the topic is the time management, right?
Exactly, of
Yeah.
course. You are a very nice student. You, you, you are always coming with the preparation of topics, so it's good for you and it's good for me as well.
Yeah. Actually, I went through the topic while doing my breakfast.
So what do you think, like, what about the value of time in your opinion? So the first question I'm asking to you, because, time is, I think, precious, and you can't give a value to the time. So what do you think, how time can be valuable for us and how we can utilize it?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, time is very important for us because of the time we are able to do anything. If there were we no time, then we can't, we wouldn't able to do anything, right? And
Yes.
everybody has 24 hours, but it depends on us that how do we means manage the 24 hours, right? And I think it is the only thing that leads us to success,
Yes.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
already it is leading you to success, of course. So I can say that because
yeah, yeah.
you are utilizing your 24, I think, hours per day and in a very well manner. So, but what do
Mm,
you think, Nayan? The next question, we are saying time management. So
mm,
we can manage time or we can manage ourselves, because time is flying always, and you
mm,
can't change the time, and you can't, I think, just get a hold on time. But we can manage ourselves. Time is running, and we can, I think, run along with the time. So we have to manage ourselves or we have to manage time. What is about this term? People, they are always
actually
saying
we
time management.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we can't do with the time, okay? But
Mhm.
but the thing what we can do is we can manage ourselves, okay? Just we have to wake up early, okay, so that we can get means very long day, okay? And apart from that, we shouldn't keep on sleeping for long time, okay? We shouldn't waste our time with our friends or with our colleagues so much, okay? We have to do our work only, and after that we should utilize our time in a good work, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can manage ourselves in a very productive manner, right?
Mhm.
But what do
Yeah.
you think? Why the people, they are saying always, if you have to utilize your time, you have to cut the hours in your sleeping time? Why? I want to sleep 10 hours.
Yeah, I think it is with everyone, okay? Everybody wants to sleep more and more, and we know
Mhm.
very well that our desire never ends of sleeping, right?
Mm.
as
Mhm.
much we as much as we sleep, and we desire more to sleep, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so we shouldn't sleep so much, and we shouldn't waste our time by sleeping, right? Actually,
So,
rest. Sleeping is mandatory for our life, okay? But it doesn't mean that we will sleep a whole day, right?
mhm.
Yeah, because
Yes.
every legend also has the limited time, only 24 hours. But
Mm.
what they do, they manage themselves to utilize the 24 hours, right?
Mm.
And the value of time. Just if you want to take 1 minute of a well, well professional doctor, then I think they will charge at least 500, right? Only for
Mm.
1 or 2 minutes, right?
Mm.
So I think
Yes.
it is the only time that costs so much,
Yeah,
right?
of course. And I can say that, we can't give the value to, I can say that we can't tell the price, right? It depends
Hmm.
to the person to person. If you will
Yeah.
invite to a person who is a kind of CEO, maybe he will
Hmm.
take, like, lakhs and lakhs for a minute, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that depends to the person to person. But what do you think, always the, like, people, they are saying, if you want to utilize your time, we have to cut our sleeping. So how many hours you would like to suggest to the people to sleep? How many hours we should sleep if we would like to utilize our time in a very well manner in a day?
Yeah. Yeah. As I believe in as I believe that people should sleep 6 to 7 hours, Okay, so if it is possible for them to if they are getting time to sleep in the day or in the afternoon, then I think they should sleep 6 hours at night and 1 hour in the day. Okay, whenever they get time. So I think that will be sufficient for them, right? And the
Yes.
remaining time they may use in anything as they wish.
I can understand. Yeah, of course. I have listened a lot more people who would like to say that we have to sleep. I think 6 hours is more than enough. And few people like, the really, really, I think, successful people, they would like to say that they are sleeping only 5 hours. A lot
Hmm.
more people because they
Yeah,
became habitual for it. But you
yeah.
are also habitual for it. But for me, I think, because I'm not habitual for it, so it is giving me the problem in the beginning. So I can understand. But when you are gonna be habitual for the things, it's gonna be quite okay for you. Yeah.
Yeah, but if you are not habitual with the time, with the sleeping hour, then I think you should try. If you try for means long time, then I think you also may be habituated with time,
Ah,
right?
yes, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, and I would also like to add here something more. Just like it depends on our work. Okay, suppose the labor. Okay, they work for very hard work. Okay, physical
Mm,
hard work. So in this way, I think they should sleep 8 hours. Okay, but
mm,
especially those who prepare for the examination or those who are students. Okay, I think
mm.
they should sleep uh, maximum 7 hours. Right?
Maximum. Yeah, exactly. Of
Yeah.
course, I think they can just go for the sleep only for the 6 hours. But Nayan, what is happening nowadays?
Hmm.
If I will go through the studying books and the paperback books, maybe I will can do that. But what is happening nowadays? We are spending time all the time on the screen, on
Hmm.
laptop, on phone. So this is giving problem to eyes, right? And for
Yeah.
the rest of eyes, and I think if you will use you are also working in office, so you can
Mhm.
understand sometimes it is giving you the hectic head, I think headache.
Yeah, yeah,
And at
yeah.
that point of time, it needs more and more, I think, rest. But right now you are habitual for that as well, right? So.
Yeah, yeah, and I also use my spectacles in my office whenever I use system on computer. Okay.
Mm, mm.
Uh, because it is not possible the operating the computer without spectacles, right? So I also use my blue cut spectacles in my office.
Because
Yeah.
for making the new habit, at least we have to do that things for 21 days. I think you might
Yeah.
heard about the 21 days formula. It is written in lot more books. I mean to say that if you want to develop a new habit, or if you want to leave any, I think, just bad habit, you have
Hmm.
to avoid that kind of things for the 21 days. And after that
Okay.
20, I think after that, maybe you will not feel that addiction. If you are just drinking,
Okay.
and if you will do something like for the 21 days, at least you will not take any kind of, I think, just drink and something. So after that, it's gonna be little bit okay, and you can come out from that bad habit. Or if you want to take in positive manner as well, you want to develop your good habit at that point of time. If I'm just thinking to wake up at early in the morning, I have to wake up, I think, at least 21 days. After that, I will be habitual to do this. So this is a kind of
Okay.
21 days formula. A lot more
Hmm.
writer, I think,
Yeah.
just wrote in their
Yeah, so
book.
it means that it takes us 21 days to give up any habit. But as I think that if your habit is so strong, okay, then I
Mhm.
think we can't give up the habit in 21 days, right?
Ah, yes. Yeah.
Yeah,
So, yeah, it is so strong. So you have to work hard. You have to take hard decisions, tough decisions, right? So I
yeah,
can
right.
understand, not a problem. So, but I would like to ask, I think the question that this is kind of question. So, are you a tardy person? Tardy means a kind of person who is late or lazy always. So, what do you think? You are a tardy person, or you are, I think, active person? I think whenever you would like to go anywhere, you would like to reach on time, or you are late.
Actually, I am not a tardy person, but sometimes I think that I never reach on time. Okay, it is sure that I am not going to reach before the time. Okay, I always reach on time. Okay,
That's
but
great.
it doesn't mean that before the time will do another means unnecessary thing. Okay, suppose I have to go office at 11 o'clock. Okay,
Mm.
so in this way, then it is sure that I will be studying till 10:55. Okay, and just I get ready in 5 minutes and I go to my office. Right.
Yeah, that's a
Another
great
example,
thing.
suppose I have a train at 7 o'clock. Okay, then it is sure that I am not going to reach there before 7 o'clock.
Yeah,
Okay, it's my habit because I don't waste any even a single second there by waiting.
that's
Right.
great. That's great. I think, hats off to you, because if you are trying to utilize your single minute, even that's very great. So, but
Yeah.
in the case of me, I'm just really opposite to you. I'm a
Yeah.
kind of really tardy person, indolent. I think, I think, when I was in school, I used to go late every single day, even though I was the, I think, captain of my class. After that, also, I was going after attendance. So, yeah. So this
Yeah.
is all about the person to person. But you are really, I think, sincere and conscious nowadays. But I will pray to God. I think you have to be conscious whole life, like this. If you will do that,
Okay.
such a wonderful you are gonna do in your life.
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Because time can change you. Time
Hmm.
has a lot more power to, I think, change to the people, right? And
Yeah,
we do have
yeah,
every single day the new opportunity of 24 hours.
yeah, yeah. And yesterday actually, I went to my office late. Okay, then my officer told me that what do you do? Your schedule is very tight. Okay, so how can you do? Right.
Yes.
So everybody knows that I am very busy with my schedule. Okay.
Yeah, so it is a kind of, thing you have to do work hard, and you have to make people aware as that I think I'm working hard. Because if you will not tell to the people they will think you are free always, and they will call
Yeah.
you and they will feel free whenever they want, right? But if they will
Yeah.
understand like your schedule is very tight, they will understand about the value of your time, right?
Yeah. Yeah. And actually, means I doesn't like those who always reach late. Okay, suppose if someone asked me to come 10 o'clock, okay, and I reach there at 10 o'clock and I saw there that they haven't come at, right? So that time I feel so angry that they are wasting my time. Okay, what was the need of telling me to come at 10 o'clock? Okay, so that time sometime I don't feel so comfortable there.
Yes, I can understand, man. If you will go first, you will see like nothing will happen there. Because sometimes what is happening, the people they are giving time to me, and I would like to reach on time, right? But
Yeah,
after that, I will go there and I will see this shop is not open, coaching is banned, nobody is there. I'm the only one. I think that time I'm feeling awkward and I'm thinking why I'm so, I think, early. I think
mm,
when I was in school, I was a kind of tardy person, but when I became
mm,
the student of university, I started reaching on time because I started
yeah.
understanding the value of the time. You were
Yeah,
saying
actually,
something.
I think before my matriculation, I had not realized the value of time. Okay, but when I passed my matriculation exam, that time I realized that we should utilize our time very well. Otherwise, we can't do anything in our life. Okay,
Yes,
then I
you
started
realize so early.
giving value of my time. Yeah.
So you realized so early after 10th only. I realized
Yeah.
after my 12th, but I'm totally impressed because you are such a sincere person in your time management. You are trying to utilize your time very well in a very well manner, and you are trying to manage yourself according to the time. That is the one of the best thing about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, okay. So thank you so much, and it's really nice meeting to you today. And I will wait for the video again. So thank you. Bye bye. Take care. All the best.
Okay, then bye. Let's meet in the next session.